I went back there. That area messed me up because I think there's a dog there. Oh no, that's outside. Get back inside. No, no, no. Not here. Not here. Hell no. That dog is out there. Shit. I knew it. I knew it. Damn.
Bruh.
You cannot be serious. Try not to run in a circle. I mean, try not to run in a straight line. Ugh. Oh, cussing.
Oh, Jill. Got any good news?
Other than I'm still alive in this madhouse? No.
Can't say it's much safer here either. We'd better secure our escape route first. There's gotta be a back door somewhere.
All right then, let's split up again.
See you later.
Ciao.
What was the point of having this conversation? It didn't make me feel much safer. I think that's the way I gotta go. No, it's not. Oh, this is not the wave. This is not the wave.
What are you aiming at?
Oh, that was not what I meant to do. That was not what I meant to do. Not him alley-ooping off my back. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm not in my right mind. I'm not fed. I'm annoyed. I'm sorry, you guys.
Oh God, what did I do now? Barry! Help!
Jill! You in there?
How he just happened to be there?
Get me out of here! The door's jammed!
Stand back!
She's on the ground. She's like,
Grab my hand!
I just wanted to see this cutscene. I just wanted to see it.
That was a close one. A second late, you would have fit nicely into a sandwich.
Really? Thanks. But Barry, didn't you say you were going back to the dining room to find other clues? I'm glad and all, but why are you here?
I just had something I wanted to check. Anyway, we should get back to searching for Wesker and Chris.
Thanks, Barry. I owe you one.
Don't mention it.
Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Get your ass out of here.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Jill. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
You suck.
You can't be serious, bro. There's items there. I only have one of these. I'm gonna have to risk. No! I didn't mean to use it. Wait.
How about no?
Jill! I would not have made it. I would not have made it around that corner. I had to take action. I knew this was bad when I signed up, bro. That's why I haven't beat this game yet. You see, I tried to juke him. I tried to juke him. Oh, damn it! I almost did it. I did it once and then I got tripped up on the angle. But woo! Sorry. I heard the squelching. I thought it was on the other side. I thought it was on the other side. He got me, y'all. Yo, I'm nervous to go on that side again. Watch him be on this side. Wait, let me see. Let me see. Because he got me bad. He got me bad, yo. Okay. You can I was not expecting his ass to be there. I really need to go through there, sir. Look at him! Look at his head bobbing! Before I shoot, I gotta get past him. Wasn't expecting for him to go down that quick. I'll be honest with you. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Take the mansion key. Cause I do not. Jill. Oh. What? Use it! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't feel like backtracking. That decision is gonna screw us. I'm gonna save at a different point. But I really didn't feel like backtracking. And this key opens up so many doors, but we do have to haul ass on up out of here. So I think the best decision is to just go straight ahead, go downstairs, and go through the main gateway thing. That ratchet ass dagger. I forgot about this. I forgot about this. Jill! Damn, he looks massive compared to her, low-key. Yo! Get back! Stranger danger! Damn it! I don't have any kerosene.
Richard! What happened? You're wounded.
He is toe up, bro.
Is a killing zone.
We'll continue to judge what RE4. I can't with you, Kage.
What did
Leave my aim alone, bro.
Big snake. And it had to be poisonous.
Hold on.
poisonous? Richard, hold on.
Bring me serum. I saw some, but didn't bring any.
I'll go and get it, okay? You're gonna make it.
Thanks.
Woe to those who disturb my sleep. There's a switch here. Press it? Hell no. They just said woe to those. I'm not pressing that. I'm out of here. What's that other room? Oh, that's the snake room. That's the snake room. I'm gonna need you not to get up, guy. The forest has given up the ghost. It looks like he's been dead for a while. Damn. Let's go. Guy, I need you to not get up. I cannot afford for you to get up. The way my inventory is looking. Oh wait, hold on. What the hell is that? What the fuck is that? Stop it. Stop it. Get back. Damn you fast! Get back! Jill. Get your ass. All right. Grab it and we gotta be gone, bitch. Also, what happened to my daggers? He definitely grabbed on me like 3 times. Oh God. I gotta blast you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it that way. I really didn't. You got a STARS jacket on and everything, but you had to be blasted. This isn't it. Ah! I heard something too. Let's go. Go on, Jill. Why are you here? Get back. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, down the stairs. Come on, let's go. Who is that? It's getting active out here. It's getting active. Oh my God. I need to find a room. It's getting active. Hold up. You were probably an okay guy, but you have to go. Okay. Ah! Almost ran into him. I was about to go that direction. Because I'm not trying to be your meal, sir. Damn, that man is dead, bro. Golly, look at him. I'm sorry, bro. Them crimson heads came out of nowhere. I had to defend myself. I'm so sorry. I don't like that little hallway right there. Right. Of course. Get your ass back! What is going on? Okay. I think that snake is up there. Oh gosh. It's very slowly coming back to me. Sha. Okay. Ah! Mother fucker. Get out the room. Close him back. Of course not. Of course you wouldn't close him back. Of course you would not close him back. Sir, excuse me, sir. Sit your ass down. Sit it on down. Sit your ass on down. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, I remember this. Bee specimen, assorted fishing lures. Okay. I kind of remember this. Ooh, okay, it's puzzle season right now. Okay, there's this puzzle and then there's the other one with the armored knights. Researcher's will. The letter is slipped inside. The top part of the letter is torn off. The rest of the letter is illegible. Alma, I have tried to survive only to see you again, but my efforts have only delayed the inevitable. I am infected, and there is no cure for what will follow, except to end my life before I lose the one thing that separates me from them, my love for you. In an hour, I'll have entered my eternal sleep, where there is peace. Please understand, Please know that I am sorry. Martin Crackhorn. Martin is out here professing all types of love. That's like Travis's dad. These men were out here going through it. Okay. Take the B specimen. No. There's a switch underneath. Yes. Let's go. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Get back. Get back. Get. Show ass. You. Get. Get. Show ass out of here. You take the wind crest. Yes. Yes, I will. Are we good? Is he still alive? In what world does a B specimen just get up like that, bro? Well, to those who disturb my sleep, there's a switch here. Press it. Sure. Jill. Jill. Do I have to do that after the gas is hit though? Or oh, no, wait, hold on. No, I don't. All right, I think I got it now. I think I got it now. Okay, to my knowledge, right? Y'all are seeing what this thing up here looks like, right? The ones that's closer have to be out, and then the ones that's like on the outer side have to be pushed in, right? Let's push him in. Cause he's supposed to be in there. He's supposed to be in. Sword is supposed to be out. I'm bugging right now. Okay, you are active, my guy. Okay. All right, I think I got it. I think that's it. Don't spray nothing else, bro. Okay. Yay! I figured it out. I'll be honest with you though, I did figure it out faster than the first time I played this game. The first time I played this game, it was a mess. Not combined. Examine that. Jewelry box. There's a switch. Will you press it? Yes. Let's press it. Ooh, we got puzzles all day, baby. Switch. Oh, there's a mask inside. The death mask. Let's go. This is the one that was missing the face, wasn't it? The one that I decided not to look at. I hate coming down here. What is that? Musical score. I knew it. Somebody in there. Somebody in there shuffling around, bro. Hold on. Okay, let me grab the shotty. Cause somebody ass is in there hella shuffling. Oh. Oh, it's just a regular. Okay, okay. You gotta be dealt with. So like, show ass up. All right, y'all. I definitely hit a few scares. I definitely got. I definitely got in places that I did not expect to get got. But anyway, you guys, as usual, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to follow your girl on social media, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Thank you so much again. I appreciate y'all. Peace.